Hello everyone, if your Rockstar Games Launcher is not loading or launching, it's stuck on this window, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Rockstar Games Launcher easily. So I'll show you two solutions of how you can fix that. The first one is you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your C drive, you're going to go to your users folder, you're going to select your username here, and then you're going to go to your documents. Here you're going to find the folder called Rockstar Games. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and rename this folder to anything else. So for example, just write here .old and then close this up and open up your start menu, right here settings, and then click on apps on here, go into installed apps. And if you have OneDrive installed on your computer, just search for it and then delete OneDrive on your computer. And once it's done uninstalled, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up the Rockstar Games Launcher, you'll see that it will load and work correctly. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.